All right, here's a quick update. Just this week, OpenAI released the new DaVinci version 3 model. Whatever that means, it sounds like a bunch of words, but basically they made their model considerably more verbose. And so I thought I would show a pretty easy to see demonstration of that. So first of all, this is with apologies to this actual customer, this is a prototype of how I've got this bot concept integrated into our CRM. So this is a FileMaker based CRM. The information here gets loaded in from the customer themselves. They go to our web-based guestbook form, and they provide this narrative to us. And we haven't actually gone so far as to update the form to make sure that it gives really useful information. So for example, here we would have asked them to give us, what industry they would classify themselves as. So instead, we're, kind of doing it without that. So what I've got the bot doing, you can kind of see how it worked already. It's not nothing by any means. So the bot before was taking their description, extracting keywords from that description, and then it was providing a list of the prompt engineering that I used here was saying a low-code application. Give me 5 example use cases for a low-code application in this industry, with emphasis on the keywords we're extracting from what the customer is asking. So then we list those here, and that becomes the script for a salesperson to follow up with this individual. So very empathetic sales process, very knowledgeable sales process, essentially trying to accelerate the credibility of the salesperson well in advance of the initial consultation. Also in advance of the initial consultation, I'm taking the same information and writing an email. So these emails are not boilerplate. Every single email is different. You see a couple things here like thanks for reaching out. I did instruct the model on how it would form salutations like that. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for reaching out. And then also express that express with confidence that iSolutions has the capabilities to do what they need, and then address some of the keywords and what the next steps are. So anyways, it was okay. I mean, like this bullet point of 5 things, is certainly usable, but maybe not like the full-on script that we needed before. So all I did was update the model to use the new version 3 DaVinci model instead of the 2. Just did that this morning, and take a quick look at the results. So visually you can see what the email looks like and what the script looks like. But now let's run this again. And apologies, the data API is running a little bit slow this morning, but you get the basic idea. So first of all, I was able to use it to do keyword extraction. So these are keywords that were pulled out of this customer's description of how they work. And again, literally like a paragraph worth of information, and then just a 1-word industry. Imagine if we ask them very specific questions and ask for narrative in other areas, what kind of information we could get. But now look at this. Now we're getting really verbose, like this is what the thing can do, and here's a description. For example, FileMaker could be used. For example, really pretty amazing, useful mouthfuls of info. And now we can see that what the impact on the model would have from a email writing standpoint. I think a great use of this new model. And by the way, there was one here that I was particularly excited about. Look at this one here. So this one actually provided the use case. This one, the individual gave us really good info, and I don't think that we even had the industry in here. So let's say I filled that in. But check out what it does here. It says use case. Here's the use case, and then it actually does like these persona-based narratives. Like example, Pauline is like this. Just to let you guys, this is Pauline, right? So now it's saying, hey, your rug business, the actual customer, you could do this, you could do that, you could do this. I mean, look at this. In about 2 seconds, it put all this stuff together. So I'm very excited about the future of this use case, and thought I would share that with interested parties.